So 2025 is nearly done, and you may have told yourself that you're done with living that life, following suit, doing what everyone else is doing, and you know you're meant for more. But yet you've probably ended up wandering off at this time of year, back to them parties, back to the drinking, having a good time like everyone else is doing, probably taking drugs, having toxic conversations that you've already told yourself that you're stepping away from. And you're probably kicking yourself right now thinking, I didn't really want to participate in that because I'm just done with that life. I'm done with that kind of life. But yet you've done it anyway because it was Christmas and it was the right thing to do because everyone else was doing it. So this video is hopefully just a reminder that your intentions and what you want for your life is so much more than that life. And now Christmas is all well and done. Okay, we've got New Year, we can go and drink and party, and feel exactly the same going into 2026. Well, why don't we make it so 2026 is not the year that we make New Year's resolutions that never seem to work, but we stay true to ourselves and fall into the knowing that that life is done. We're not participating in that bullshit anymore, regardless of what time of year it is and who's doing what and whose party it is down the road and what there is to celebrate. It's all just noise. And when I say it, I'm not saying not to have a good time or socialise. That's not my point. But if you're watching my videos, that you may be at a point where you've just done with living that life of feeling rough and groggy and all these plans that you've made that haven't materialised, and another year has passed. And the point is, you know that you're meant to be doing more with your life than being in the circles and the environments that you keep finding yourself in. So that's the point of it. It's not to say that you're never going to have a good time or you ever want to socialise again. That's not the point. And if this video resonates with you, I think you know what I'm saying to you. So why don't we just make 2026 is not I shoulda, woulda, coulda, or some bullshit resolution that doesn't ever stick, and we just revert back to the same patterns that we've lived for so many years and end up doing the same toxic patterns, drinking, partying, that we've done for years. So why don't we make 2026 the year that we don't talk about it, we actually just go and do it. And I've got a feeling that if you're watching this video, that you are wanting more for your life, and that you're done being in them environments, and you know that you're meant for more. And then maybe next year at Christmas, maybe when you're meeting your family and you're enjoying yourself, you'll be glad that you stuck it through, and that all these false promises that you made to yourself before, that this time you did actually stick them out. And change your life for the better. And that's ultimately what it's about, is being better, feeling better with yourself, doing better, and just being a better human being. And for me, I think it's been around 8-9 months now since I've had a drink. And again, it's been Christmas and I'm out of the country at the minute, travelling. And it's not even entertained me to have a drink or indulge or put myself in them places. I just know that I'm going to see it through this time, but I'm not fighting it. It's not something I'm wanting to do anymore. So this Christmas I've spent a lot of time by myself. I haven't seen family, I haven't seen friends, and not like I'm trying to avoid them. I just chose this time to travel and to get away and just have a Christmas to myself, doing what I want to do. And no, I'm not saying I've got it all figured out. I haven't. But for somebody who's been through addictions and lived just a toxic life for so many years, this year I can actually say that for the last 8-9 months I've been true to my word. And so many different things that I've managed to put together. And like I say, if you feel like you want to have a look at them or explore my sites, I have got the links down below. There's multiple courses. It's a platform that you can be part of, and a place where people can connect who have been through similar things. My journey goes a lot deeper because it's not just from addictions and drugs and drinking and stuff like that. Mine was more as much a spiritual journey, coming back to self. And I have another YouTube channel, if you want to check it out, a sister channel, where I'll speak more on a spiritual term, offering spiritual guidance. So if it was something that you're interested in, at your own time and your pace, you can also have a look at that also. So there's multiple offerings that I offer, and again, these are my own life events that I've put together, and for me, I wanted to share them with people that are probably going through similar struggles, similar situations, and looking to generally just be a better person, whether you're spiritually more spiritual or you're just done with living a toxic, shitty life, following everyone else around, or just not having your own voice. And that was what I wanted to put out into the world. So like I say, if you did like the video or it did resonate with you, please give it a thumbs up. It's much appreciated. I appreciate you taking the time out of your day, especially over this time over Christmas. And yeah, 2026, let's map this out and do what we said we were going to do. And if you're watching this video, I have a very strong feeling that you just want more from your life. Just know that I'm here for you. And again, if you want to reach out to me and connect with me, I'm here. And yeah, let's see New Year. Let's step into 2026 with a clear mind, a plan of action that we're going to follow through on. And we're not going to get swayed or bent this time. We're going to stand true to ourselves and start putting some good into the world. So again, if you've watched this video, I appreciate your time, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you very much.